In this chapter, you will be exposed to four modes of transportation. You will find that you already use most of these modes and thus makes it easier for you to understand. These four modes of transportation will help you to increase your knowledge in tourism geography. Let us begin with the term. Actually, modes of transportation is a term used to distinguish substantially different ways to perform transportation. There are four different modes of transportation, which includes number 1, land or road, number 2, air, number 3, water, and number 4, rail transport. Land transport. Do you have any ideas about this kind of transport? A road transport is an identifiable route, way, or path between two or more places. Land transport. This mode can be consist of highway, motorcycle pathway, and off-road. The most common road vehicle is the automobile, a wheeled passenger vehicle that carries its own motor, such as car, motorcycle, bus, lorry, and non-motorized vehicles such as bicycle. Roads are typically smooth, paved, or otherwise prepared to allow easy travel. Rail transport. Rail transport is where a train runs along a set of two parallel steel rails, known as railway or railroad. Railway has been the pioneer of modern mechanical transport. It has brought the greatest revolution in transport. A train consists of one or more connected vehicles that runs on the rails, known as train coach. Water transport. Now we shall proceed to water transport. This mode of transportation is the type of watercraft transport, such as a boat, ship, or sailboat, move over a body of water such as sea, ocean, lake, or river. Although it is a slower mode of transportation, modern sea transport is a highly effective method of transporting large quantities of non-perishable goods. Transport by water is significantly less costly than air transport. Example of water transport: cruise. Cruising on cruise ships is a means of travel with some substantial benefits, but a few drawbacks too. Cruising makes it easy to visit several places in a single trip without the need to repack your belongings and sit in a car, train, bus, or plane for each trip. Your hotel room comes along with you and even transport you. Example of water transport: ferry. Ferry is a boat, ship, used to carry primarily passenger and sometimes vehicles, and cargo as well, across a body of water. A ferry brings passengers to many stops, such as in Venice and then Italy. Ferry is sometimes called a water bus or water taxi. Air transport. The last mode of transportation is air transport. Air transport is the most modern and the quickest mode of transport in the world. Air transport can be divided into passenger and cargo. The majority of aircraft also need an airport with the infrastructure to receive maintenance, restocking, refueling, and for the loading and unloading of crew, cargo, and passengers. From this video, I hope you can categorize four modes of transportation all over the world, which are land, air, water, and rail transport.